Now the presentations you are seeing here, I just made them within a minute, and all these were made by AI. I'm going to introduce to you to this AI tool that can help you create digital products that you can sell, products that you can monetize and start earning. And you don't have to be a designer, you don't need to know anything. As you can see here, these things that you see here were created in a minute, and everything was done by AI. So if your goal has ever been to create a digital product that can bring you passive income, then this video is for you. Before I get into it, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. And I'll request that you watch up to the end of this video to learn everything that you're supposed to do to achieve this. So let's get into it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can just do that using two tools, and one of them, which is the most powerful tool, ChatGPT, to come up with our course outline and to help us do the heavy lifting, and another tool called Gamma App to create our digital product that we can sell. Now, the first thing you need to do is to have an idea of the kind of a digital product. For instance, I want to create a digital product in health and wellness. So you can go online and look for topics that are highly searched. For instance, I have chosen a topic on health and wellness, and I want to ask ChatGPT, and this is what I want ChatGPT to do. I intend to create a digital product. Write for me a course outline for an online course on the topic health and wellness. And here we go. Now look at that course outline. It went ahead and even gave me the duration. It is between 6 to 8 weeks. The course format is video lesson, interactive quiz, and downloadable resources. Great. Now, it went ahead and broke the course into modules, and we have module 1 up to module 7. And I like how it broke down these modules. For instance, number 1 is introduction to health and wellness. Number 2 is nutrition for optimal health. Number 3 is physical fitness and movement. Number 4, mental and emotional well-being. Number 5, lifestyle habit for longevity. And look at number 6 and 7. So this is what we want to use to create a course that we can sell as a digital product on health and wellness. Now that this is done, this is great. I'll go ahead and ask ChatGPT. I want to make a digital presentation that will be sold as a course using an online tool called Gamma App. Give me a description that I will paste into the AI tool for health and wellness course. So let's go ahead and see what ChatGPT will come up with. And just see what ChatGPT has just come up with. It has written a well description, and this is the description that I want us to use for us to generate a presentation. So what are we going to do? I'm going to select or to highlight this description. Now the next thing we need to do is to go to Gamma, and this is the tool. Once you get to Gamma, go ahead and sign up for a free account, and here just continue with Google and you'll be done. Now from here we have 3 options. The paste in text option, which helps you to create from notes an outline or an existing content, and then we have the popular one, which is generate. Now for generate, you'll just create from a 1-line prompt in a few seconds, and this is what we are going to use. And of course we have an option where we can import a file or a URL. So go ahead and tap on generate. Now we have 4 options here: presentation, web page, document, and social. Now for this case, we're going to create a presentation, so go ahead and tap on presentation to get started. Now from here, what we want to do is paste our description here, and then this tool will go ahead and do the magic. Now let me show you how that goes. So I'll go ahead and take our description, copy it, and then come paste it here. And this is what we want this tool to generate. And before you generate, go ahead and select or choose the number of cards you want to use. And for this case, let me say I want 10 cards. So up to 10, a maximum of 10, it will be free. And for the rest, it is for Pro and Plus. So let's choose maximum, which is 10, and we can generate the 10 for free. Of course, the language, we're going to leave it at that. And then you can go ahead and choose the style. So I'll leave it at default. Now, once you're done with that, all you need to do is to click on generate outline and look at what this tool is going to do. It has broken down our description into 10 outlines. Look at that. And there are 10 of them here. So if you need more, you can click on this to add more cards and they'll be added. And it is going to use 129 tokens out of the 20,000 tokens that are available for you. And this is just a sample, a sneak peek of what we are going to get. And now see the magic. Once you're done, click on generate. And now let the outline be converted into cards that we are going to use for our presentation. And here we go. Our presentations are being generated. Look at that. Just look at that. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Look at that. And wow, Gamma has just finished generating our presentation. Now let's go ahead and go through what has just been generated in a matter of a minute. What will take others, what will take you the whole day using the manual process has just taken me a minute. So let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this presentation? This is a nice one. Now, one thing you have to note is that you can make any change that you so wish. You see, if you just highlight, you can edit. You can make any change. You can add anything you want as you wish. You can add a comment. You can even add a reaction and it will be added on your presentation. So this is our presentation that has been generated. You can see the slides. And if I run from the first slide, you can see how well organized they are. Look at the color patterns, the choices of the color. We didn't even describe the colors. It went just ahead and did the magic. Look at that. Now, this is the presentation that you are going to use now to market your course. And whenever a client sees this, they will be very much willing to enroll just because of how you have presented, of how you have packaged your digital product. They will be willing to come in and enroll for the 6 to 8 weeks health and wellness course. And one thing you have to note is that you can even add your presentation with an audio, and this will also market your presentation so well. Once you're done, it is time to download. Now, to download your presentation, your creation, all you need to do is to come to share here and tap on it. Once you are here, we have the export function that is here. You can as well enter your email if you want to share it with people or your workmates. You can add them here. So for my case, I'll just go ahead and export, that is to download on my computer. And here you can choose the format in which you want to download your presentation. You can download it in form of a PDF. You can also do it in form of a PowerPoint, as well as you can export it as a PNG. So all these are available for you for free. I'll go ahead and download as PDF, and look at that. Within a moment, it is being exported. And here we go. It is on our desktop. And look at that. Look at our presentation. These are 10 slides that we have just made within a minute. So this is so great. Now let me know in the comment section, what are other features or what are other tools that you use to create digital products. So go ahead, use this presentation to market and advertise your course. If you want to attach an audio, you can go ahead, do so, and then use this to market your course, to market your digital product. And please, if you liked this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.